Alright, hello, my name is Quinlan Barthelme and I will be demonstrating my Checkpoint 2 for IFB102, which was, I was doing a weather logger. Now, the extra changes that I have made, improvements if you will, to the weather logger tutorial that I followed and detailed in Checkpoint 1 is, well, I've got my Sense hat, finally, so I can do this project for real instead of a simulation. And the first change that I've made is instead of just displaying a graph of the data via the PyCal package, I am now displaying a live feed of the Ada on the Adafruit website. So anyone, I can make it public, anyone can see my weather logging data. So that's just some example data that I was playing with there. So if I run my script in the command prompt, you can see the temperature. Yep, this is temperature being logged. As you can see, I'm just printing the temperature and the humidity. I am doing temperature and humidity at the same time. Yeah, and it's just a nice live feed. Temperature's a bit janky because my Sense hat has been real near my computer, which has been nice and toasty. So I'm just stop that right there and just show you if I go into feeds, I've got humidity as well, and we're plotting humidity as well. Now the dashboards where you combine the feeds and you can see it both happening at the same time, you need a larger set of data. Unfortunately, I think the minimum that it lets you plot is like quite a bit. It's like a whole day. I'm going to try and fix that, but in terms of the improvement, yes, I've got it going on live feeds. Now, the second improvement that I've done is it now displays stuff on this Sense hat LED strip, depending on what the temperature and the humidity is. Now, this one here, I was under the cold threshold. I've got temperature thresholds for everything. So it is now currently displaying a snowflake, if you will, just my own pixel art rendition of one. As you can see here, these are all the variables that really matter in terms of what is displayed. So if I were to change this to something lower so that it all thinks it's nice and hot, run it again, and we've got a nice sun. So it thinks it's nice and warm, we display a nice sun. Now the extra part on top of this is what do you do for different humidities. So I've got a low and a high humidity setting. So if I set the low humidity, put myself within the low humidity setting threshold, say, let's go 40. It displays, it's kind of hard to see here, but it displays whatever it was in terms of temperature. So we still got the sun there, but now it's also got a flame. It's a bit hard to see, I can see here, but it's like an extra little graphic to the side of it, showing that yes, it's nice and sunny, but we've got very low humidity. It's feels very hot. Obviously, this can be done for a higher humidity. So if I change the thresholds once again and make it that we are within high humidity range, we get a nice raindrop showing high humidity, high chance of rain. And those are the two extra improvements to my tutorial that I've done so far. And that's my Checkpoint 2. Alright, any questions, just send me an email. Cheers.